Subaru Solterra EV gets some big changes for 2026. Let's go look at the highlights. So as you may know, this car is based on Toyota's EV, which is called the BZ4X. That also gets a few changes for 2026, but nothing as comprehensive as this Solterra. The biggest change you can see is to the front design here. All new headlights here. You also have cladding that is now body color. That's different than the previous version of the Solterra. Gives it a much sleeker, more upscale look. So that body color paint is only if you choose white, gray, or black for the Solterra. The rest of them are gonna have black trim, although it's painted black trim now here on the fenders. Elsewhere on the car, there are new wheel designs, 18-inch alloy wheels and 20-inch wheels. At the back, the changes are really minimal. You've lost the Subaru emblem in the middle, and now it's spelled out. These badges are now in black, and Subaru says you still don't need a rear wiper. And finally, one other really big upgrade I think is cool is that this now adopts Tesla's charging standard. That's called the NACS. You can see the port is right here. It's a new redesigned port on this side of the vehicle. It means you can use Tesla's supercharging stations. But perhaps the biggest changes are the ones you can't see, the ones under the hood to the powertrain. First of all, range goes up to nearly 300 miles. Formal figures are still being finalized, but that's a huge jump from the 222-mile range of the outgoing version. You also have more horsepower. It's estimated to be around 233 horsepower. That again is a jump from 215, and then charging speed goes up. Previously, it was 100 kilowatts. Now it's going up to 150. There are also big changes on the inside, and I mean that literally. There is now a 14-inch screen here in the center console. That's up from a 12.3-inch screen on the previous version. The entire dashboard has also been redesigned, as is this console here. You'll also notice there are now 2 wireless smartphone charging stations here, so you don't have to fight over who gets to charge up their phone. And finally, the glass up in the panoramic moonroof, it's the same size as before, but Subaru removed the bar that used to be in the center of it, giving you a much more unobstructed view of what's outside. All right, folks, there you have it. Our sneak peek at the redesigned 2026 Subaru Solterra. We'll get a chance to get behind the wheel in the coming months, so stay tuned for both a video and written review of this car. In the meantime, for reviews or listings of Subarus or anything else you're shopping for, new or used, be sure to check out CarGurus.com. And before you go, like and subscribe to this channel so you can get alerts on all of our future updates. We'll see you out there.